So if you're new to BoxCutter, more than likely the easiest way to get over to Custom Cutter is just holding Alt, and you can just scroll over to Custom Cutter by just scrolling over until it says Custom, either in the bottom right corner or via the notification on the hop side. And if you don't have a shape specified and you have snapping on via the snapping icon, and you have, vert, edge, and face like I do, when you hold control you'll see these dots, and we're just going to choose this dot and jump off. And by holding Alt, we can just draw a central shape, and we see that we've drawn the BoxCutter logo. When it comes to custom shapes, I do want to introduce you to the hotkey of Shift tilde, which is rotate inside. And if you're a non-tilde user, there's also the hotkey of Shift R, which will also rotate the shape inside. This actually differs than the hotkey of R, which will rotate the shape, where this will actually rotate it inside of the constraints of the box shape that's been created. And you might be wondering why we have a custom cutter that defaults drawing the logo, and that's just because of our love for BoxCutter itself. But if we go ahead and click and apply, we see that we have drawn this custom cutter. And to probably best show custom cutter in action, we can switch over to box, and we'll just draw a box and perform a cut. And instead of applying, we're just going to press Y and turn it into an extraction. And when we click, this extraction has now become our custom cutter. So if we click from this corner and drag out, we've actually began custom cutting only this corner of the logo that we have. However, this cut doesn't appear to be very proportional with the area that we cut out. So new to this version, if you click and drag, but you also are holding Shift, you will be able to draw a proportional cut that's actually proportional exactly to the size that was cut out. So it's basically one-to-one proportional cutting on the X and Y at this time, wouldn't see possibly to come in the future. But that's basically custom cutter in a nutshell for new users who are trying it for the first time.